Hey Evie, good hearing from you. I'm gonna walk you through some of the ones with square roots. If you're still having problems, you can Zoom with me. Tomorrow we're doing the beach cleanup. So normally I have my Zooms from 11 to 11:30. I'll text your parents and I'll also email you when we get back. I'm thinking probably tomorrow I'll be able to do it about 1 o'clock or so. So if you want to do a Zoom around 1 o'clock, that'd be good too. All right, let's try some of the guided practice ones here. The first one says T times T. All right, T times T. T times T is T squared. And then we need the principal and minor square root. We need the square root of that. So go square root of T squared. Sorry, move my camera over. Would be, we just leave it like that. Or what's this? Would just be T. What we can do is just try and plug some real numbers in that same equation. So let's say we put 2 times 2. That's the same as 2 squared, right? And then you want you to square root that just like we did the previous one. Well, if we did the square root, that means what's 2 squared? That's 4, right? And if you plug in your calculator, what's the square root of 2? I mean, square root of 4, I give you the answer. Sorry about that. It's 2. All right, this next one, it's a plus b squared. We have to multiply a plus b, and it's like a plus b times itself. A times a is a squared. A times b is ab. And then b times a is ab again. And then b times b is b squared. We gotta combine like terms. A squared plus 2ab plus b squared. And then they want the square root of that. We can just leave it like that. If you want to simplify it a little bit, we could bring the a out. It would just be a b square root of 2ab, because we can't really reduce 2ab. Next one is t squared times t squared. Remember from the previous packet, when we multiply, we keep the same base. We add the exponent to be a second plus a second is the fourth. Okay. Now it says we want to get the square root. So then that equals t to the second. This one's gonna be just like the last one. All it is different letters. A to the fourth, and then square root of that. Oops, sorry. It's a challenge holding the phone while writing at the same time. Let's look at some of the independent practice you have. It says, is the statement true or false? The radical of, don't worry about number 1. So number 2, just put in your calculator square root of 64. What two numbers, it's a number multiplied by itself can get you 64. Number 3 is like, what is the square root of 49? Number 4, that is just like the one we just did here, where we have the square root of a squared. That's going to be what? It's what Fonzie used to say. Oh, you probably don't know this. Happy days. Hey! All right, square root of 25. That's either 5 or 6. Number 6, plug in your calculator, go squared of 12, and then get the square root of that. 7 is just like 4. J times J is going to be what? I'll do it right here. J squared. And we want the square root of that. What do you think that's going to be? J. You got it. J. All right. Find the square roots of the following. All right. For A, we got to go A squared times square it. So we add those up. Multiply. 2 times 2 is 4. This is A to the 4th. Square root of that. That equals A2. And then, honestly, don't worry about the other ones. Just do 2 through 8. Don't worry about the other ones. Okay? I hope this helps. Well, I hope this helps, Evie. If you have any other questions, just email me. I should be available tomorrow by 1 o'clock if you want to do a Zoom. We can do that, or any other ways.